Hey guys, welcome back to this. Here in this video, I will show you how you can become a musician, provided you don't know how to sing. Yes, I know that. Provided you cannot compose. Yes, I know that. Provided you don't know how to master sing. I know that. You don't need a studio. Yes, I'm going to show you with another powerful AI that will explain this in details. You are going to follow me step by step as we make these things happen. That is, we become a musician in just a tinkle of an eye. Just see this, you can listen to it. Yes, that is how it is.
Welcome to Olly Hustle Hub, your go-to place for real energy.
So what we are going to start with is chatgpt. We are going to check chatgpt to compose a 2 minute song, and that is a Christian birthday song to be used on Suno. Make sure the song is Holy Nation, singer is Holy Nation rather, and Holy Nation. That is, I want ChatGPT to let the song repeat the composer's name, that is Holy Nation, times without number. I believe you get what I'm saying now. I want people to know that, okay, well, this song was composed by Holy Nation. Then you send it to ChatGPT. In the twinkle of an eyes, everything pop up. Can you now see? That is the song. Holy Nation, ho, 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 it is blessed day, it is holy day. Holy Nation, lift your hands and this Holy Nation I made mention was now repeated times without number in the song. That is, you give ChatGPT whatsoever you want. What you want it to do for you is what it will definitely do. It will give you what you want exactly. You can see most of the verse, the bridge, the choruses, Holy Nation was being mentioned here times without number. Can you now see? That is the lyrics. So the ChatGPT now asks if to, make it into Suno friendly prompt, the format of Suno friendly prompt, which is what we need. I just type yes. Immediately I just send the yes, everything was, set. Everything was now written into prompt. And you now see the lyrics, everything was now in prompt form. So what you just need to do from here is to copy the code. The code given to you, you just copy the code and head straight and go straight to the site we are going to make use of. And go straight to where we are going to make use of these lyrics. So open another browser and go straight to your Google Chrome or whatsoever browser you are using. As for me, I'm using Google Chrome. So just type Suno, Suno.ai there. So immediately you type in it there, it will just come out. It's either you sign in if you have an account with them before, or you sign up if you don't have. So I have some song I've made before. So let's listen to some of this song before we proceed. Yeah, this is one of the song I made with this Suno then, and you can see difference because if you send a lyrics, Suno will try as much as possible to give you like four different songs with the same lyrics. So you now pick the one you like or the one you want from all the songs given to you by Suno. I believe you are getting it here. So you now pick the one you want. So those are the songs. I was testing one another, all the songs before I picked the one I want. Those are the songs I've made before. Those are the songs I've made before. Okay, for today's song we are about to make now, the one we just copied from ChatGPT, you just go straight to your Suno. Once it opens like this, what you do is you just so the lyrics we copied from ChatGPT, you just scroll up. There is 2 points up there. There is single, there is custom. For the case of what you are going to do, we pick custom. So once you pick custom under lyrics, you pick it, then you paste your lyrics there. That is under lyrics. So once you paste it there, you move downward, After lyrics, there is another style, which is written style. You pick if you want hip hop, if you want Afrobeat, if you want R&B, if you want instruments rock, you pick what you want. But for the sake of this, I want what is it called, Afrobeat, and I had some modern beats to hit. That is what I picked here. So you just pick what you want from here, then you are good to go. You move to the third, which is advanced settings. There you pick the voice you want. If it is male voice, if it is female voice. For
Happy
the sake
birthday
of
to
this, we are
you.
using male voice, so we are going to pick male voice. After picking male voice, now everything is set. Then we click on create. You wait for some minutes, then you see your song being created.
All the nation. It's a blessed day. It's a holy day. Holy nation. Lift your hands and say, like yeah, you world. Holy nation. Hey, 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 Tia, Holy nation. Tia, Holy nation. Today we sing with joy and praise for the gift of life and grace. God has done it once again. New mercies flow like rain. All the nations singing hallelujah. Heaven's light is shining brighter. Another year, another blessing. Let's give glory to the King. Happy birthday.
That is just it. Can you now see that the only nation I made mention there was now being repeated times without number? That is only nation, other stuff. Yes, you guys now understand. So there are a lot of tracks that is going to be created, like 2 to 3 again. So what are you now waiting for? Go straight to Suno.ai. You can as well check the description of this video. Just click on it and start your own today. Start your song, become an Afrobeat. As well, you can monetize it and start making money with it. If you want more of this, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.